Pull the handle apart to separate it into two left and right sections. Align your phone with the green clamp. Push up to install the phone. The same operation applies to the other side as well. Download and open the GameSir app. Select X4 Aileron. Tap Connect Now and wait for scanning. Tap Pair and Connect. Return to the main interface. Select Software Mapping to start the game. Follow the instructions to enable developer options. Tap on Build Number multiple times. Return to the main interface and follow the instructions to enable USB debugging. Tap to pair the device with the provided pairing code. Once the pairing is complete, you can start playing the game.